Today, I'm going to teach you how to put an image inside a cell in Google Sheets. This is a great way to add visual elements like logos, product photos, or profile pictures directly into your spreadsheet cells, making your data more engaging and organized. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, sign in to your Google account using your credentials. This will take you to your Workspace dashboard where you can access all your Google applications and files. From the Workspace dashboard, locate the spreadsheet where you want to insert an image inside a cell. Simply click on it to open. If you have multiple spreadsheets, take a moment to find the right one, as this will ensure you're working in the correct file from the start. Once your spreadsheet is open, click on the specific cell where you want the image to appear. This is important because Google Sheets will insert the image directly into whichever cell you've selected. After clicking the cell, look toward the top of your screen and find the Insert menu in the toolbar. Click on Insert to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for adding content to your spreadsheet. In the drop-down menu, you'll see several choices, but for our purpose today, click on Image. This will open another submenu with different ways to add images to your sheet. Here's where it gets interesting. You'll see multiple options for how to place your image. From the submenu, select Insert Image in Cell. This specific option is crucial because it ensures the image sits inside the cell rather than floating over it. This means the image will move and resize with the cell, keeping your spreadsheet organized and structured. A dialog box will appear with options for sourcing your image. Click on Browse to access files from your computer. This opens your File Explorer, allowing you to navigate through your folders and locate the image you want to upload. Once you've found the right image, click on it to select it, then confirm your selection to begin the upload process. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the image uploads to your spreadsheet. The time this takes depends on your internet connection and the size of the image file, so be patient. You might see a loading indicator during this process. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the image now sitting inside the cell you selected. The image is now part of your spreadsheet structure. If you want to adjust how the image looks, you can resize the cell by dragging its borders. As you resize the cell, the image will automatically scale to fit, maintaining its proportions within the cell boundaries. And there you have it, you've successfully inserted an image inside a cell in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.